Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to link a bank account on your Cash app. First, open the Cash app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. On the home screen, tap the profile icon in the top right corner. This opens your account setting. Tap Link Bank or Linked Account. Here you will see any bank or card already connected. Tap Add Bank. You will see two options: login to your bank using your bank's name and security login. Another, add bank details manually using your routing number and account number. Choose the option you prefer and follow the on-screen step. Once the bank is verified, it will appear under Linked Bank. Your bank account is now connected to Cash App. Make sure your bank account is active. Your name on Cash App should match your bank account. Some bank may take a short time to verify. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.